What you working on there, bud?
Your shocks.
My shocks.
Your shocks are blown out.
Yes, they are. So what do we got? We got hooked up from Schmitty Racing over in Arizona, I believe. Got us the oil, got us all the seals, everything for both the front and rear shocks.
New decals in too.
We got the new decals in.
Let us know. Also, it's going to be a good day for one of you guys as well, because today we're doing our giveaway. 500 subscribers on YouTube. Can't thank you guys enough for subscribing and liking and just enjoying our content. It means a lot to us.
So we got all of our names here on our wheel. These are all the people who followed the rules. They tagged 2 friends in our Instagram post, and they followed our YouTube channel. And so they got entered to win at 500 subscribers. And also, before we get started, I'd like to give a special thanks to Works Industry for providing us for most of the swag bag we're giving away. We did throw in a hat and a shirt and some decals of our own, but this is really thanks to them. So without further ado, if you see your name there, let's give her a spin. Oh, there it goes.
Round and round, where does it go?
The cube's going. Oh. Who is it? Pelly Alexis. Congratulations, Pelly Alexis.
Congratulations. Thanks everybody for, subscribers, even if you did or didn't enter the draw. You've been here since day one, so first 500, that's a big step for us.
If you're not already subscribed, you want to get in on it, subscribe and follow us over on Instagram.
Let's go.
What's up, guys? We are here today at the Myra Road. We're going to go test out some stuff with Cody here. We did some work on his shocks and stuff there, and yeah, it should be a good day. We've had some record temps. We're pretty bundled up today. We're good. So we're going out for a run. We're gonna hit up the Myra Trail. We're gonna do paper bridges, one of our favorites, and yeah, stay tuned.
Time to grind, get inside your mind. Yeah, we working overtime. That's the only way to climb. We gon' make it in our prime, signing on the dotted line, cashing checks.
Finally, I got my shocks rebuilt. We're out here to try them out today. So we're out here today. It's freezing. It's supposed to be like 6 degrees somehow. Not really sure how, considering yesterday was minus 45 with the wind chill. But here in Nova Scotia, Canada, we like to keep you guessing. Like when we go to our coffee shop, we order the same thing every day and it's different every time. That's how we roll. Woo!
And this is why we call it paper bridges. We came through here one time and just basically every bridge failed or was already failed by the time we got to it. And yeah, so that's why we call this one paper bridges.
And we're stuck already. Oh my gosh. Yeah, not only are we going to be testing out my suspension, but I got some brand new tires on her too. And I've been dying to try out in some snow or on some ice and just kind of see how they hold up. A few key items. For instance, half of your door. It's miserable. You get soaked because the bottom half of your door is gone. There's no mud flaps to deflect it. And it's really quite terrible. You got no room. You just get filthy the first time out. So you're really going to have to go and spend an extra $500 on doors or spend an extra $500 on the roof. But for some reason, even though they only sell you half the car, it's still worth it.
Locked into drift mode.
Locked into drift mode?
Yeah.
And, I mean, realistically, I can drift for 2 reasons. Not one of them being skill, got good suspension, and good
I
tires.
was just gonna ask you about that.
I've been chasing a clunk in the front end since I bought it.
Yeah.
Embarrassingly enough.
So yeah, so we rebuilt the both front shocks. We got all OEM Fox gear, but we got it from Smitty's Off-Road. We got some new tires. I just made it up.
Good. I was
Yeah.
two-wheel drive through all of that.
Yeah.
And not even spin, like, well, this too, but all that off-road stuff, not even spinning.
And the knocking's gone for
Knocking's
sure.
totally gone.
Yeah, so sweet. We're gonna yeet these things for you.
Yeah. We'll stop talking about it. Let's go.
Let's go. All right, all right. All right. Right by the rock. Look at that.
Yeah, so I guess
Yeah.
the moral of the story is get yourself a razor.
Yeah, definitely get a razor, and we'll keep doing the tutorials too, because like we're not really like professionals with everything, but it's cool to like get involved and check stuff out and see what it's like. So
Yeah, and you know, if
we
any,
kind of give like an honest review of anything, because it's
Yeah.
usually our first time dealing with stuff.
and
so.
it seems that with these rigs particular, everybody that we know that have gotten the Razor 900 have run into all the exact same problems at the same,
Yeah.
literally at the same kilometers. So
Yeah.
we kind of know what to expect, but
Yeah.
and I guess that goes without saying that you're going to experience the same thing. So
Yeah.
definitely, if you do plan to get yourself a Razor 900, hop on over to our channel, because we're going to go through all the same stuff
Yeah,
you're going to
for
go
sure,
through,
for sure.
and we'll document it, you know, the best we can. Or if you have any requests or anything,
Yeah.
you know, something that happened to you that we've already dealt with and we didn't catch it on camera, like, feel free to reach out and ask.
And we gotta do a big thanks and shout out to Works Industry again. for
Huge shout out
helping us out
yeah.
with the giveaway, and they've been a big supporter of us and likewise. So go check them out on Instagram.
Oh yeah, on Instagram, the link will be down below.
Yeah,
It's always in our
and,
descriptions.
and big shout out to our winner of our giveaway. So we're gonna be doing a few more of those in the future. And yeah, thanks for liking and watching, and we'll see you next time.
Hit the subscribe button. Peace.
Watch me.